home button is damaged. Until it get fixed, you can bring home button in your screen and you can use it. And I'm going to show you how it can be done. First of all, what you have to do is you have to go to setting. You have to go to setting. Then setting, then control center, then you can see calculator, timer, touch, everything there. What you'll have to do is you have to go down there, accessibility shortcuts. You just click here, accessibility shortcuts, then you go back, go to the control center once again. In the older version mobile like 5, 6, 7, what you have to do is control center, you pull up the screen from the bottom of the screen, you can see the control center. But now